How to fix Snapchat error code. Hello guys, so first thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager right here on this page, you will find all the apps. So what you have to do is wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find Snapchat. Click on it and then click on force stop and then go to the data usage here. Make sure to disable all these options and enable them back again. Go back and then click on this force stop. After that, all what you want to do is go to the Play Store or the App Store and update your Snapchat. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.